Hey guys, what's up? My name is T. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video right here, we are going to do another Forsage update. But before we get into the computer, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. So that way every time I upload to YouTube, you'll be one of the first people to know. So with that being said, let's dive into the computer. All right, guys, so we're in the back of my Forsage account. And as you guys can see, nothing has really changed. I still have 2 referrals in slots 1 and 2. And I have 1 referral in slot 3, and I have 2 referrals in slots 1 and 2, and I have 1 referral in slot 3. I do have some overflow in slots 1 through 4, but I haven't gotten any to drop down in my bottom line yet when it comes to that. I'm at $127 right now, $61 in X3, $67 in X4. And I'm not sure if I have enough yet to get another slot. Let's see what Max says. And for those of you who don't know who Max, this is this pretty kitty right here. This is Max. I named him a few videos ago. And look at this. I have $96 in my MetaMask wallet, and I am literally like $3 short. Isn't that sucks? So yeah, so guys, like I can add money to this if I wanted to actually go ahead and buy the slot. I have more than $4 to my name, okay? But I actually want to go ahead and earn the money through Forsage so that way I can keep leveling up. So I'm going to either have to wait until I either get some overflow or until I get another person to sign up under me, which by the way, I'm not trying to do, but you know, if other people see the opportunity in this or they see the greatness in this, they're going to do it regardless. But yeah, so I'm going to really just have to wait until somebody signs up under me because like I said, I can do it. And I'm going to probably put a day on it. So like if I don't get any overflow or someone to sign up with me maybe by Wednesday, then I'm going to go ahead and just open up some slots because I'm not going to lie. The whole point of Forsage is to get all of these open. So that way, when it becomes a trend and all of these people start coming in, the overflow will be crazy. So yeah, so that's basically it. I don't really have too much to talk about right now when it comes to my Forsage account. Just wanted to get this on document for my journey. And as of today, 577,939 people are now in Forsage, and also as of the last 24 hours, 11,217 people have joined Forsage. Oh, here's another thing too. I didn't update a day 13 video, so this is going to be like day 13 and day 14 because as you guys can see from my day 12, I gained $1. So you guys can see like wasn't much going on. I actually got caught up and I do feel bad that I did not post a video yesterday, but it is what it is. Okay, so yeah, so with that being said, that's pretty much it, and see you guys in a second. All right, guys, so we dived into the computer. I was able to show you guys my results. For those of you that are actually interested in joining Forsage, you can go to my link in my description. It's ginger.forevereth.com. And those of you that want more information on Forsage, you can actually go to that same link. And those of you that aren't interested and you guys just want to see me on my journey, you're more than welcome to keep watching. No hard feelings at all because like I was saying in previous videos, I'm not trying to recruit anybody. I'm not trying to get anybody to join. This is not like a business opportunity or anything like that. So with that being said, guys, have a great night, morning, afternoon, whatever it is, whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.